Hi, I wanted to create a video to show you how to update your TI-Nspire calculator. So let me show you how to check, first of all, how to check to see what version you currently have, what version of the operating system, the OS. So if you're on the home screen and you press 5 and 4, it will tell you which operating system you're currently using. So this one is 4.4.0.532. That is not the most current operating system. So I need to update this. So first, the only thing you really need is the TI cable. It's a special cable. It fits right here, like this. And then the other side is USB. So I'm going to connect this to the computer. And when I do that, I'm going to have the TI teacher software up. And I am going to set it, if you go to help and you go to startup screen, it shows you a screen that looks like this. And if you hit this, there's a button that says detect Heart handheld OS. Click on that and it'll tell you that this handheld needs an OS update. And if I click on update OS, it will update the OS on this one calculator. The current one is 4.5 and it'll do everything for you automatically. When you finish, this one has already been updated. When you finish, you'll get a new option, 5.4. You can see here it's 4.5.0. Okay, and that's the newest software for this. This is the TI-Nspire CX OS. Now, what if you have a class set? Like I have a class set. I don't want to do one calculator at a time. So if you take the charging units, of course, it does have to be plugged into power, but you'll notice that there's this little in button here. Using the same cable, you plug it in there, and then any calculator that you have on the cradle, it'll detect all of the calculators at once, and you can update all of the operating systems all in one go. And that would be, 10 at a time, which would be a lot faster. Cable, single, that is fine if you're just going to update one calculator. But if I was going to do a class set, I definitely would use that system. All right. I hope that helps and good luck.